Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Level D Math class. This is our second week of June session, and in this week we are going to learn about another very important concept of geometry, area. What is area? Area is the amount of surface covered by the figure. In other words, area is the inside space of any shape. The standard unit of measure is square units. For example, square centimeter square for smaller areas and square meter square for larger areas. To find the area of any shape, we use multiplication. All we have to do is multiply one side by another. In this chapter, we will be talking about two shapes, rectangles and squares. Our objectives are to recall the formulas to find the area of square and a rectangle and find the length or breadth of a rectangle or square given its area. Now let's learn how to find the area of rectangle and square. A rectangle has 4 sides, 2 lengths and 2 breadths. To find the area of rectangle, we multiply one side by another. This means length into breadth, whereas a square has 4 equal sides. To find the area of square, we multiply one length by another. Let's learn through an example. A rectangular field has a breadth of 7 meters and its length is 5 meters. Find its area. Area of rectangle equals to length times breadth. Here we have a length of 7 meters and breadth of 5. 7 times 5 equals to 35 meters square. Don't forget the unit of area is centimeter square or meter square. Here we have meters. So the area equals to 35 meters square. Moving on to our next example, the length of a side of square is 9 centimeters. Find its area. Area of a square equals to length times its length. If the length is 9 centimeters, this means the other length of a square is also 9. Area of square equals to 9 centimeters into 9 centimeters. That equals 81 centimeters square. Our next objective is to find an unknown side of rectangle and square with unknown area. To find the unknown side of rectangle or square, our first step is to write down the formula of area. For rectangle, length into breadth equals to area. So if I rearrange this formula, the area divided by length equals to breadth, and if we divide breadth from area, we get its length. For square, area of a square equals to length times length. By rearranging this formula, length equals to area divided by length. Let's learn through an example. Jane cuts out a rectangular piece of paper with an area of 56 cm square and a length of 7 cm. What is the breadth of the piece of paper? My first step would be to write down the formula of area. Area of rectangle equals to length times its breadth. By rearranging this formula, breadth equals to area divided by length. In this question, we are given with an area and length. By dividing 56 by 7, we get an answer of 8 cm. This means the breadth of the piece of paper is 8 cm. Moving on to our next example, the area of square is 225 cm square. Find the length of the side of a square. Now, my first step is area of square equals to length times its length. To find the length, we need to find a number that when multiplied by itself equals to 225 cm square. Now, let's start with 9. 9 times 9 equals to 81. No, our answer is 225. Moving on to the next. 10 times 10 equals to 100. 11 times 11 equals to 121. 12 times 12 equals to 144. 13 times 13 equals to 169. 15 times 15 equals to 225. This means the length of the side of square is 15 centimeter. I have attached some links of Methodia practice for more practice. If you have any questions or confusions, you are welcome to leave a message on Google Classroom. Thank you.